Good day, viewers. Our course of the day is GSE 322, Basic General Mathematics 5. In the course outline of this course, we will discuss on measure of central tendency, also known as measure of location, in which we will discuss on mean, median, mode of group and ungrouped data. Likewise, we shall discuss about measure of variability or measure of dispersion, in which we will discuss about the range, the mean deviation, variance, and the standard deviation. And the last segment, we will discuss on simple probability. But before we go deep into the subject, we need to go back a little to learn about the frequency distribution. The frequency distribution is a process where the raw data will be condensed into a tabular form to ease the understanding or to ease the understanding of the what of the data or for the analysis of the data. So in this case, I mentioned data. What is data? Data in statistics could be defined as the numerical information or fact that could be measured or given numerical qualification. For example, if election is conducted, the results of the vote or the number of votes casted by the electorate is what? Is a data. When a teacher conducts a test, the score of the students or the outcome is what? Is data. When census is also conducted in the nation, the result of that census is a data. So also, frequency distribution is the process where such data should be tabularized for easy understanding or for analyzing the data. When you want to analyze such data and you present it into a tabular form, it will what? It will look very straightforward, very understanding. So now let's take, for example, example 1. Prepare a frequency table for the school of 40 students in GSE 322 examination. The question is saying that prepare frequency table for the school of 40 students in GSE 322 tests. In this question, it is a teacher that conducted a test to 40 students in GSE 322 test. And we are asked to prepare the frequency table with regard to the score of such students. What are we going to do? When the test is conducted, there is every possibility of having the following score. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 33, 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 40, 25, 26, 18, 19, 21, 26, 27, 15, 15, 18, 26, 25, 30, 21, 22, 31, 32, 18, 17, 21, 25, 22, 16, 18, 19, 39, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 18, 17, 22, 31. So these are the schools obtained from the test of GSE 322. And we are now asked to prepare a frequency table with regard to these schools. So what are we going to do? In this case, we need to have the column for interval, tally, and then the frequency. What is the interval? The interval is the range of the scores that we are going to take. And what is tally? Tally symbolizing the number of times a particular data or the data within the range repeat themselves. And also, but in a symbolic manner, tally is usually in the bundle of 5, 4 strokes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we tie it with the fifth one. Then frequency also express the number of times the values within the stipulated range appear in the given data. So now the solution, we shall have here the solution for the column for the interval, then tally, and then frequency. This is short form of frequency. So we have gotten our 3 columns. Now what are we going to do? For us, sometimes you will be asked to take the range. Sometimes you will be given a condition of the range you will take, but sometimes you will not be given. But in this case, what we shall do, we should take the highest, we should go to the table and take the highest mark or the highest score. When we look at it, we see that the highest score in this is 45. Then we write our 45 here. Minus, what is the lowest score? The lowest score by mere looking is 15. Then we say minus 15. Minus what? Minus 15. So Supposing now 45 minus 15 will give us 45 minus 15 will give us 30. And now we have gotten 30. And supposing we want to have 5 equal interval, then this 30 we divide it by what? By 5. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 6. Then we are what? We are now going to have what? 6 units in each of the interval. Then we consider, then after this we have gotten this. This is the number of our interval that we are going to have here. So now we should go back to the data. Going back to the data, then we what? We consider the lowest item, the lowest score as well. What is the lowest score? The lowest score is 15. Then from 15, then we add what? We add 6, because we are going to have 6 units in each of the interval. 15 plus 6 is going to give us 21. We have gotten 21 here. Then the next one is going to be what? 22. Then 22 plus this 6 is going to give us 28. We have gotten 28 here, then here we pick off with 29. We have gotten 29 here, plus 6, we are going to have 35. Here we have 35, then here we take 36. Then 36 plus 6 is going to give us 40, is going to give us 41. Sorry, it's going to give us 42. Then we have gotten 42 here, then here we pick off with 43. 43 plus 6, 43 plus 6, then we are going to have what? 49. We have to stop here because the highest number is 45 and it has fallen within this range. And remember, we said if we want to have 5 intervals, then we divide it by 5. So when you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's logic. So now, how do we get the tally? Now we go to the what? The raw data. When we go to the raw data, we now count those scores that fall within 15 to 21. How many are they? We shall come here. We have 1 here. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are how many? 19. So, and I told you the tally is usually in bundle of 4 strokes, and we tie it with the 5th one. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 19. Then here we come and write 19. Then we go to the next one. Those scores that fall within 22 to 28. How many are they? We shall come 22 to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7. We have 7. Sorry. We have let's do something like this. Sorry. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And here we have what? 7. Then we go back to the table as well. Those scores that fall within 29 to 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are how many? There are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Then here we write our 8. Then the next one is we go back to the table, those scores that fall within 36 to 42. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. There are how many? 1, 2, 3. Then here we write our 3. What next? The values that fall within 43 to 49. 1, 2, 3. We have only 3 as well. 1, 2, 3. Here we should write 3 also. So now, we have finished with the frequency table. And for we to know that we are wrong or right, we have to what? We have to calculate, or sum these figures. If they are up to the number of the student, that is the number of the item, it means we are correct. If they are short or more than the number of the student, it means we are wrong somewhere. So now we have 19 here, plus 7 will give us 26, plus 8 will give us 34, then plus 3 will give us 37, then plus 3 will give us 40. So now, here we have summation of this frequency is what? 40. It means we are what? we are correct. So this is the frequency distribution, the process of tabularizing raw data in statistics into what? Into a frequency table. Thank you for watching till we meet in the next class.